Welcome back to the channel, everyone. You're watching Once Upon a Gun. We appreciate you being here. Today we have something that I think is super neat, probably not real practical, but awesome for any collection. This is the Rossi Brawler. This one is an OD green. They offer lots of different color schemes for it, but this customer wanted OD green. He's letting us take a look at it here. So kind of excited to see one of these. They're cheap. They are single shot and definitely a niche type of firearm. But I think from looking at it, on the website, it is super cool. We'll see if this lives up to the hype. So it comes in your standard box. Can't expect much for this. And open it. Look at that. Dude, that's just cool looking. I don't care who you are. This is super neat. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with these, this is a Rossi version, kind of a Taurus Judge. We just had the public defender here on the channel. But it's kind of like the Judge cousin, I guess. So it shoots the 410 or the 45 long Colt, just like the Judge, but this is single shot. So you'll see here, single shot, opens up, and it's ready to rock. Put one in there, close it up, and fire away. Safety's real positive engagement here. See what we've got on the trigger. Oh, sorry. Again, first time using one. That's a good trigger. See it again. Yeah, I think it's just cool. So nice big grip on it. It's a 9-inch barrel, so you are probably gonna want to get some positive purchase on this. I guess you can hold up here. It's got the tack rail. Just a plain blacked out front sight, no rear sight. But yeah, I don't know what you would use this for. I want one though. And this OD green, it's a super dark green. So in the light, you can barely tell that it's off from the black. So I think it's just enough contrast it looks really good. And I would be very interested in shooting this firearm. So there's not a whole lot to show you with this because there's not a lot of features. It's a niche market, but it's super cool. If you've got one, put it in the comments down below. Let us know what you think. I'm interested. Appreciate you guys tuning into this quick one. See you on the next time.